Airline food. There's nothing wrong with airline food. People complain about it. They're lucky they're getting some food. I mean, they could go on airlines where they don't get no food at all. You gotta pay for it. $7 for a little thing like about this big, but Continental, we give you actual food. You don't have to pay $7 for a little piece of food like this. We actually give you food that you can eat. Now, mind you, there's other airlines where they just give you peanuts, but then you have the peanut allergy people, so that you can't have peanuts on the flight because the peanut allergy people have to have people with no peanuts on the flight. But it's really hard to have a plane with no peanuts on the flight because people bring their own food, the diabetics and stuff. They bring their own food and they can have whatever the hell they want because they're packing it in their bag. We definitely cannot keep the American public from bringing peanuts onto a flight. So the government says it's okay to have peanuts on the flight. So yes, we have no peanut-free zones, and they get food, and yes, it might be in peanut oil, I don't care, but they're getting some food and it doesn't cost them any extra. So there.